Stop editing listings manually. This tool does 503 minutes and it is called 3D Sellers. Yes, it has a free 7-day trial, no credit card required, which is phenomenal. A lot of companies don't do that. So you might as well get it while you can. Links right in the description. But instead of manual editing the listings, you can do pretty much these awesome, nice, clean bulk edits. And it might sound too good to be true, but it's not. We use it on a regular basis for our clients. You can check it out. Here's just a quick little overview, right? Select and bulk edit eBay listings with one click. Go through it, bulk update your eBay listings, and kind of go from there. A lot of different things you can do, but if you actually log into 3D Sellers, to look something like this, right? It looks very, very nice and very clean. Check out your active listings, and then you can see the active listings right here. Now, let's say we had 100 of these, 500 of these. There is a bulk actions feature right here. So you can click on all of the listings, select them all, click bulk actions, and look how many bulk actions you can do. So we can zoom in. Bulk dismiss errors. If there's any errors on the listings, which we see all the time on eBay, you can do that. You can export them to a CSV and then import them after. 3D seller tags. You can sell globally. You can end the listings, promote the listings, volume pricing, apply design templates. So there are design templates that you can apply. If we go over here, you can actually go to designs and you can have all this custom HTML on your listings. It's going to promote your listings. You can have bigger videos. Remove design. SEO. So you can edit the back-end SEO of your listing, which you can't on eBay, but you can with this tool. And of course, there's AI actions. So generate title, description. Look, add watermark. That's pretty cool. Add videos to listings, replace images, generate SKUs, set policies. So many different things that you can do. And the thing is, this is like 10 times faster than eBay's interface. Much easier to use, and it automatically updates eBay very quickly. These guys have been doing it for a while, so definitely check it out. But if you do need help on eBay, we are eBay consultants as well as Amazon consultants that can help you manage and dominate eBay. The link's right below to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.